All right, so today we're getting ready to read about minerals. And as we go along and read together, I want you to look inside, around, and beyond these words: immune, supplements, and function. Right? So you're going to read the words that become before those vocab words and the words that come after it. See if you can understand what immune and supplement and function means. Right? How are they using it? All right. Minerals by Stephen Dawson, MD, Kids Health Online. All right, ready? Did you ever notice how TV commercials for breakfast cereals always mention vitamins and minerals? But when you think of minerals, food isn't the first thing that comes to mind. Aren't minerals something you find in the earth, like iron and quartz? Well, yes, but small amounts of some minerals are also in foods. For instance, red meat, such as beef, is a good source of iron. Just like vitamins, minerals help your body grow, develop, and stay healthy. The body uses minerals to perform many different functions, from building strong bones to transmitting nerve impulses. Some minerals are even used to make hormones or maintain a normal heartbeat. Right? So, what are these called again right here? Macro and trace. But as a text feature, what do we call these in a text? What do we call? Subtitles or subject headings. Macro and trace. We're going to be learning about that. The two kinds of minerals are macro minerals and trace minerals. Macro means large in Greek, and your body needs larger amounts of macro minerals than trace minerals. Okay, macro mineral group. The macro mineral group is made up of calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, sodium, potassium, chloride, and sulfur. A trace of something means that there is only a little bit of it. So even though your body needs trace minerals, it needs just a tiny bit of each one. Scientists aren't even sure how much of these minerals you need each day. Trace minerals include iron, magnesium, copper, iodine, zinc, cobalt, fluoride, and selenium. Let's take a closer look at some of the minerals you get from food. All right, so here's another, what is this called? A text feature? Subtitle. And what is the subtitle here? Calcium. What do you think we're going to learn about in this paragraph? Calcium is the top macro mineral when it comes to your bones. The mineral helps build strong bones so you can do everything from standing up straight to scoring the winning goal. It also helps build strong, healthy teeth for chomping on tasty food. All right, so we have calcium, milk, cheese, and yogurt, and broccoli. We have iron, beef, tuna, eggs, and beans, right? That's where you get your iron. Where do we get our potassium? Bananas, broccoli, and potatoes. We get our zinc from beef, pork, lamb, and legumes. Legumes look like little, I think they look like bananas. All right? So very cool. What are we going to learn about in this paragraph? Iron. The body needs iron to transport oxygen from your lungs to the rest of your body. Your entire body needs oxygen to stay healthy and alive. Iron helps because it's important in the formation of hemoglobin. Say, hemoglobin, which is the part of your red blood cells that carries oxygen throughout the body. So iron's very important, don't you think? Yes. Potassium. What are we going to learn about in this paragraph? Potassium. Say potassium. Potassium. Keeps your muscles and nervous system working properly. Did you know your blood and body tissues, such as muscles, contain water? They do. And potassium helps make sure the amount of water is just right. What are we going to learn about in these two paragraphs? Zinc helps your immune system, which is your body's system for fighting off illness and infections. It also helps with cell growth and helps heal wounds such as cuts. When people don't get enough of these important minerals, they can have health problems. For instance, too little calcium, especially when you're a kid, can lead to weaker bones. Some kids may take mineral supplements, but most kids don't need them if they eat nutritious diets, right? So, eat foods with those minerals and stay healthy. All right, very good. So, one of the things you're going to work on is completing this chart. It says, why does your body need this mineral? And it lists the minerals: zinc, calcium, potassium, and iron. So, as you read, I want you, when it comes to them listing off the different minerals, I want you to highlight the area where it says, this is why your body needs it. All right? You guys got it? So that's what you're going to highlight today so that you can go back in and fill this out. Zinc, calcium, potassium, and iron, to be more specific. Read the sentence from the passage. The body needs iron to transport oxygen from your lungs to the rest of your body. What does the root trans mean in the word transport? What do you think that root trans means? Okay? All right. So you're going to have to think about how it's used in the context. All right? What conclusion about macro minerals and trace minerals is supported by the passage? So here are some conclusions, right? Macro minerals are more important because they exist in larger quantities. Macro minerals and trace minerals are needed for a healthy heart, blood tissues, and immune system. Trace minerals like iron are more important for keeping your body bones healthy than macro minerals. Macro minerals and trace minerals must come from food and also from supplements. So which one of these generally is the big picture? Which one is, the most true conclusion? The most, right? Which one can we conclude? What can we conclude from reading that, right? You guys got it? All right. Which three sentences from the passage best support your answer up here? So whatever answer you give up here, what are some reasons down here that support your answer? Does that make sense? So what is the main idea? What are they mostly telling you about macro minerals and trace minerals up here? Which one kind of covers it all, right? All right. When you're done, you're going to go down to this guy here, and here's your short response. It says, what are the two main types of minerals? Identify examples of each type, right? And then explain how your bodies get them. You use details from the article and the food chart in your response. Now, if you do this right up here, if you do this properly here, right, then writing this down here won't be hard. What are the two main types of minerals? There's what? What are the two main types of minerals? What? Micro minerals and macro minerals, or trace macro minerals and trace minerals. Yeah. Okay. Got it? Yeah. Macro minerals and trace minerals. And so macro minerals include specific types of minerals. Trace minerals also include specific types, right? How does your body get them? All right. Very good. Do this real quick.